So you know you should be eating more vegetables, but you often find, particularly if you live on your own, that you go to the fridge and the ones you've bought have gone off. Or you want to try and introduce more diversity and colour. I talk about this a lot because the diversity in colour is so important for our overall health and our gut microbiome as well. What you can do instead is to buy frozen vegetables. Don't feel they've always got to be fresh. In fact, very often when you buy frozen, they've been harvested and frozen quickly, which helps to keep their nutritional value much better than the ones that picked and kept in the supermarket for a much longer length of time. That way you can buy different packets of frozen vegetables, lots of different colour. You can try peas and cauliflower and broccoli and different types of edamame beans, for example. And you can incorporate lots of different types into your diet on those days that you're at home, and you can eat them on a daily basis.